We're kicking off our birthday list for this March the 24th with a couple of 7 strong birthdays. Brody Ramsey turning 7 in Pittsburgh.
And Riken Smart also turns 7 years old today. Happy birthday.
All right, Brooklyn Robinson celebrating birthday number 8. There she is, pretty in blue, in Thayer, Kansas.
And Jackson and Braxton Watson, 9 years old. That's Jackson on the left and Braxton on the right. Happy birthday.
All right. Grantham Bishop celebrating birthday number 9 in Nevada. Lots of birthday love and wishes coming from his baby cousin, Fisher Kate.
And we have Katie Hutto in Columbus, Kansas, 10 years old today. Happy birthday.
All right, out in Lamar, Kelly Wilson celebrating birthday number 10 this year.
Kennedy Keller, 14 years old in McCune, Kansas, celebrating 14 today.
Allie Wade is now 14 years old as well. Allie's in Pittsburgh.
Jared Newman turns 40 years old in Riverton. That's a big fish there, Jared.
And Bob Davis in Columbus celebrating birthday number 45.
Crystal Johnson, 52, from LaRussell, Kansas today. Happy birthday, Crystal.
All right, and in Columbus, Lori Combs is celebrating. She is on the left there.
Pamela Brown, 62, from Pittsburgh, Kansas. Happy birthday from boyfriend Jerry of 23 years.
Ooh. All right, and William Mark Hickman Sr., formerly of Deerfield, Missouri, who now resides in Florida, turning 64 years old. One of our 4 state heroes, it says here. He served 22 years as a petty officer, 2nd class in the U.S. Navy, served on the aircraft carrier USS Roosevelt during Operation Desert Storm.
And turning 66 today is Kathy Alsdorf. Chester says happy birthday to my duck mom.
Aw.
We had duck yesterday.
Don't tell her that. And some baby ducks in the studio too. Judy Garner turning 80 years old. Looking great there, Judy, in Pittsburgh.
97 for Mildred Childress. And
birthday hat there.
Happy birthday, Mom, love Steve and Darlene, and she's from Missouri.
All right, and Joplin too.
Yep.
Yeah. And Mary Virginia Reeves is celebrating birthday number 99 this year in Humboldt, Kansas. Hope you have a wonderful birthday, Miss Mary.
Jay and Debbie Evans, 45th wedding anniversary, and they are in Columbus, Kansas. Happy anniversary to you both.
All right, and our list goes on. We've got Charles McKinley celebrating today.
And Jason Ferris, just down the road, 46 in Crestline. So happy birthday, Jason.
All right, quite a list there. We like
That's
to see
right.
them that big. If you have a birthday or an anniversary, send us your pictures and all the details to birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. It's very easy to do. You can get special deals from local businesses, so there's nothing wrong with that. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club and do that today.